Uvathukanu na undu wa Kenya aingi methiitwe maivuthiisya uthukumi wa silikali ya Kenya Kwanza yumusumbi Dr. William Ruto niwatania maundu kivathukany'o wikite kuma oosa kivila Kati wa maendeeo. Musumbi ukuweta ni vamwe na walany'o wa uiiti wa SHIF waki wa nyumba cia thooa munini kana affordable housing hustler fund ku thesengalama meikalile Kati wa maendeeo angi ni kumana na kutalania kwa maendeeo avala musumbi wenda Kenya metikile na silikali ya Kenya Nithukumite na kwa kwithwa na mituo kana na mutuo wa kulea kila kindu Dan Mongelano kutweleza.
Kundi ya Kenya nditania siku ya Jamhuri na kulikana kwisumbika kwayo kwa miaka 60 na imwe Valawi athi wosi mokoni ma mukoloni na nthi ya Kenya yambisya kwiyungamia. Musumbi wa katano wa nthi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nthini wa uneni wake Uvathukanu na undu ene nthi methiitwe maiteta kana maikusie maendeeo niwatalania maendeeo ala wikite kuma oosa kivila cha usumbi. Kati wa maendeeo ala musumbi wa weta ni vamwe na walany'o wa uiiti wa taifa kia ula weta taukwithia wiu ni munene kwa ene nthima ukwati munini ala mbeni mananya ma muno ni kuosa uiiti ndakulia asyai maendeeo na kwiyandikithia undu mwe na ciana cio.
Mumesikia yale mambo tunafanya kuhusiana na mambo ya afya, na wauliza wazazi wote, pale Januari watoto wetu wakirudi shuleni, sasa Taifa Care inataka kila mtoto wa Kenya awe na bima ya afya. Wakati wazazi mtarudisha watoto wenu shuleni, tunataka kila mzazi aandamane na mtoto wake ndio tuweze kusajili watoto wote wa Kenya, ili watoto wote wa Kenya tuwapangie mambo yao ya afya.
Ingi kuonia thina wa kitei wa menenya mawiola wende na ulingi sa mwika vanthi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ni waeleza kuma oosa kivila amwika ngili maana eli meongwana na itatu ni maminite kukwata mawe ya nthi cia nza na kwambisya kwiyaka kiukwati kuma mwakani wa 2022.
The deliberate, unintentional effort to develop effective strategies for creating employment opportunities within our broader economic transformation agenda is bearing fruit. From the current numbers, it is clear that employment opportunities, whether domestic, international, or online, will increase significantly in the coming days.
Walany'o ni wa kunengane mikovo kana hustler fund musumbi ni waelesekana kuvikia voka Kenya ni maminite kuosa mukovo wa bilioni mbe wa 60 alowa mawetata maminite kuyaka kiukwati na kuambisya maguya me kivathukany'o.
Financial inclusion, for example, is now a reality for millions. The Hustler Fund is marking its second anniversary on a highly successful note, having empowered millions by lending a total of 60 billion Kenya shillings so far, liberating millions from predatory lenders and precarious financial situations, and enabling them to meet their needs, fund their hustles, and build their credit scores.
Uwe ukaivinani la musumbi wende na kutetea muno walany'o nambiwe ni silikali kwa kanumba cia thooa munini kwa ene nthi ya Kenya alawelesekana wavindani kuviyukite ni membisa kunengane mbunguo na kuvingwa numba ithi kwa ene nthi maukwati munini.
Gentlemen, after 2.25 years, the decent, durable, dignified, and affordable houses we promised Kenyans are finally here. Since September this year, 1,200 affordable housing units have been completed. Additionally, the State Department of Housing has advertised 4,888 units available for sale to the public through the Boma Yangu platform as we talk.
Onugu ovo wanakutika Kenya na maendeeo na kuigwa kuvinyiwa kiukwati ni waelesekana kuma oosa kivila cha usumbi galama ya mikali ni ende na kuthea na mathoa masi ndu imwe makaende na kuthea Uvathukanu na vaumbeni.
When we say that the cost of basic commodities has come down, it is a fact. When we say that inflation has come down, it is a fact. When we say that our farmers are producing more and better, it is a fact. When we say that Kenyans who have registered for Taifa Care are receiving better services than before, it is a fact. We encourage everyone, including our critics, to engage on the basis of facts.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutungu TV, kuva kauntini ya Masako.